Hi, today we're going to highlight the unique value of Superior Sensors MultiRange Technology, available in all our differential pressure sensors. The majority of differential pressure sensors are designed and factory calibrated to perform optimally at one specific pressure range. Once this is predetermined, there is no flexibility. If you need to support multiple ranges within your product line, you buy separate sensors for each distinct pressure and set up your production line for every individual device. Superior's proprietary multi-range technology enables a single sensor to support up to 8 different pressure ranges without sacrificing performance. Each of the pressures is optimized and factory calibrated, ensuring no degradation in accuracy, stability, or total error band regardless of the range selected. Instead of having to research, purchase, and design in multiple parts, a single multi-range part simplifies product design and provides manufacturing flexibility. Supporting multiple ranges provides several economic and design benefits. If a product line requires supporting varying pressures, you can scale by purchasing one sensor in larger quantities. In engineering, using the same sensor streamlines product designs, especially if the alternative is to source sensors from multiple vendors. You can also quickly introduce new product variants that do not require hardware changes. In manufacturing, you simplify production by having to support only one sensor, thus reducing sensor inventory and obsolescence risk. More importantly, having one sensor supporting multiple ranges enables a manufacturer to build fewer product variants, significantly lowering working capital requirements and inventory costs. Inventory savings at the systems level are even more dramatic. Superior Sensor eliminates the complexity and headaches of working with multiple sensors. Utilizing the same part throughout your designs is much more efficient than having to select multiple components. When you design in each of Superior's sensors, the settings of the pressure is done via a single software command. It's that simple. Add the fact that there is only one product to inventory, and your manufacturing and finance teams will also appreciate the value of multi-range.